Top 5 apps like Learn Python Automation step by step that actually work today. Most beginners get this wrong by jumping straight into coding without a clear roadmap, but the surprising truth is that the right tools can make learning Python automation approachable and practical. Today, we're exploring 5 apps that actually help you learn Python automation step by step. First are interactive coding platforms. These apps let you write Python code directly in the browser, providing instant feedback, hints, and guided exercises. This hands-on approach reinforces learning and helps you practice automation tasks safely. Second are project-based learning tools. They focus on real-world automation projects like web scraping, file handling, or email automation, showing you how to apply Python skills to practical problems. Third are AI-assisted learning apps. They can suggest code snippets, explain errors, and guide you through complex logic, making it easier to understand Python concepts without getting stuck. Fourth are video tutorial platforms with integrated coding exercises. They combine visual explanations with coding practice so you see a concept in action and immediately apply it to a task. Fifth are community-driven coding apps. They offer discussion forums, mentorship, and collaborative challenges, letting you learn from others, share solutions, and get support when tackling automation projects. By using these 5 types of apps, beginners can master Python automation in a structured, engaging way, building both confidence and practical skills. Start exploring these apps today, and you'll see that learning Python automation doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tools, you can go from writing simple scripts to automating complex workflows faster than you imagined.